Did a software update break the DS Database Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get localized database orchestration running again. Access the official DS Database Library Diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the DS Database Library, frequently found in Localized Downloader or Download Studio applications to manage the database of active and completed file transfers. It handles the serialization of URL history. If missing, the application will launch but will be unable to remember previous downloads or will crash upon adding a new link. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The DS Database Library DLL library is bundled specifically for localized database orchestration operations, and you must run the official setup for the program, encountering the error to repair the broken links and restore the missing data. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including DS Database Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of DS Database Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing DS Database Library. To keep DS Database Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.